Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, January 11, 2022. The markets are seeing some follow through from yesterday's rally into the close. We had a reversal day yesterday, and we are continuing higher. We're trading above yesterday's highs. This is the S&P chart here in the top left. S&P has about 63 points of range, trading up here near the highs of the session. We are above the prior day closing price, which was also right at the prior day close. So after a little bit of a test lower early on, we've found some buyers and we are moving higher. So what we'll look at this afternoon is what has happened historically with that type of pattern coming off of these recent lows. So I've got all four instruments selected here. We'll use an entry time at 3 o'clock Eastern time. Will be set up as a long that'll exit at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. Now for this study, what I'm going to be using is a price pattern from yesterday. Yesterday closed at the lowest closing price of the past 10 days. So I'm going to grab that from the active today section. I'm going to go down to the new lows, day after a 10-day low close, and add that. Then I'm going to go up one level here to the post-open filters, and I'm going to say that the 3 o'clock price is trading above the high from the prior day. So to do that, I'm going to go to this intraday close versus daily levels, and I'm going to click on above prior high. I hit the equals button there for greater than prior high. That means that the 3 o'clock price needs to be above the prior session high of day. That is currently true. We'll have to see if that's true at 3 o'clock today, but that is currently the case. And then lastly, I'm going to put us in a similar market environment. Yesterday closed below a 10, but above a 200-day simple moving average. And now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time, when the prior session closes at the lowest closing price of the past 10 days and above a 200-day simple moving average. And then today at 3 o'clock, it is trading above the prior session high of day. Historically, we've got 72 samples of this pattern in the S&P. We've got 73 in the NASDAQ, 71 in the Dow, 61 in the Russell. Win rates on them are all skewed towards the downside. So S&P coming in 40% of these have closed above that 3 p.m. price. For the NASDAQ, it's 38%. For the Dow, 41%. And the Russell, the strongest of the group, at 48%. If we look at the average moves, the average loss is larger than the average win in the S&P. That is also the case in the NASDAQ and in the Dow. The Russell is very similar in size. So kind of similar stats to what we saw this morning, and that this morning we looked at a pattern based upon the reversal, and it was favoring the upside on 3 of the 4 instruments. These same S&P, NASDAQ, Dow, all those favored the upside in that study. But here late in the day, it looks like the upside bias has been used up historically by this point, and the bias has been a little bit weaker into the close when this pattern is true. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.